your basic info. Choose the answer that suits you from the drop-down menu, or simply answer in one word, such as your enrollment year, the fee you paid, your 10th and 12th grade board, and the percentage you scored. Answering questions such as अगर आप कोई entrance examination में बैठे थे, or if you availed any quota, will only help us understand you better और हमें बताएगा कि आपका review कितना genuine है. Once done, click on save and you'll be on step 2. Every single step takes you closer to your monetary reward, and we are here to remind you to get into those nitty-gritty details by including as many facts and figures as possible. Because remember guys, more detail matlab more rewards. Step 2 is your admission process and examination info. While answering a question as basic as why did you choose to attend this college, don't forget to include the sub-points जो आपके question के नीचे दिए गए हैं. Here you can tell us what exactly went into your head while choosing this college. What factors made you prefer this college over other colleges offering similar courses? आपके college के सारे good and bad aspects. आपका admission process कैसा था? Did you sit for any entrance exam? Or do you remember the tentative dates of your admission process and the dates of your first day? Review में सब लिख डालो. Once you're done with the answer, rate your college from 1 to 10 on the basis of your overall experience. Make sure you answer all the questions with complete genuineness and click on save. Step 3 is your course curriculum and faculty info. As the name suggests, इस क्वेश्चन में you will answer why did you choose to study the course you chose. आपके कोर्स करिकुलम में प्रैक्टिकल टू थ्योरी का रेशियो और क्लास में फैकल्टी टू स्टूडेंट का रेशियो. Tell us about the subject you liked the most and the subject you disliked the most. Your favorite teacher or the most strict faculty. Guys, review करने की opportunity बार बार नहीं मिलती. So go ahead and review your faculty's teaching methodology as well. Mention the chill days or your exam days. How frequently were your exams anyway? And how difficult was it to crack them? Finally, give it a rating out of 10 and click on save. Step 4 is fee structure and scholarship info. The answer to this question is very basic, but guys, be specific. Tell us the exact amount you paid for your course annually. Do you think it was worth it? कोई installments में pay करने का option था, or you paid the entire fee in advance? What about the scholarship opportunities? And did the college provide any financial aid to those in need? Can students earn more money doing side jobs on the campus? And if yes, what kind of jobs? How much money? Finally, rate your college in terms of affordability from 1 to 10 and click on save. Step 5 is admission process. Here, we just want to know if you sat for any entrance examination or had to sit for a group discussion, personal interview or any written test. Time to state the fact guys, क्या-क्या questions आए थे? How did you prepare for them? Is there any eligibility criteria you must fit in? And how long did it take to get your results? Were you nervous? Tell us everything about your experience. And of course, finally, rate it out of a 10. Moving on to step 6. Now this is a fun one. Your campus and social life. इसमें थोड़ा इधर-उधर का info देना है. Such as what were the different recreational facilities available to you on campus? Gym था कि नहीं? Indoor and outdoor sports कौन से थे? And tell us about the chill hangout spots. What was the name of your annual fest? And when was it organized? Did you take part in it? Were you a part of any club or committee? If yes, what was your role? Information such as classroom में AC था कि नहीं, projector था कि नहीं, smart classroom था या chalkboard style, सब लिख डालो. And finally, rate your campus life from 1 to 10 and click next. Step 7. We're almost done guys. But first, let's talk about the hostel and accommodation facilities. Here you tell us about your experience. College में hostel facility थी या अपने आप से flat rent करना पड़ा? And how much did that add to your living expenses? Tell us in detail about the facilities made available to you. Did you have an AC in your room or you shared a bathroom? Were you happy with the quality of food? या फिर हर दिन same खाना खा कर बोर हो गए थे? Tell us all the things that you think would have helped you if only you knew them in the first place. Once done, rate your hostel life from 1 to 10 and click save. Step 8 is placements. This, of course, is one of the most important factors factors to consider when picking a college. So be precise, guys. Does your college provide campus placements? If yes, did they live up to your expectations? कौन सी companies आई थी? What was the highest package offered or the average pay package offered? Was it easy peasy to get a job या 20 interviews में बैठने के बाद नौकरी मिली? How many total offers were made and the percent of students that got placed? If the college does not provide campus placements, what did you do? Tell us about the scope of employability and what were your plans after getting the degree. Again, आसानी से job मिल गई या you had to work your ass off? Finally, rate your placement experience and click on Save. Step 9 is your last step and also the internship experience. इस question में tell us about the internship opportunities available to you. Was it a paid internship or an unpaid one? और अगर stipend मिला तो कितना मिला? Also, how was your internship? What was your role? What new things did you learn? ये सब बताओ and then rate your internship experience from 1 to 10. Finally, guys, you're all set to submit your review. Share your ID card, mark sheet, and college email ID to finish this process. Follow these tips and your review is good to go. Once done, simply click on submit and you'll get monetary rewards literally the same day. Remember, guys, आपके detailed और factual review से we will get to know that your review is genuine, which will further increase the approval rate of your review.